Good morning. Today is Thursday, January 23rd, 2025. I am here at Ortega River Marina, and this is blue. I'm going to show you the hull cleaning, but there's a few concerns that I have. I know I've mentioned it before, but I am going to get it in the video again. The back of your keel has a very prominent dent in it, and I also don't see the like a rubber bushing or a rubber mat that goes between your sail drive and your keel. So I'm going to go ahead and get a video of that. Thank you for choosing DS Dash.